everyone, I am Manav. Today I am going to show you how to make this India rocket. Let's get started to make it. First I'll show you what all things we need. We need a yellow strips of paper and we need a orange paper on half of your bowl and a green paper and a blue paper with circle in that. And you need a bowl. Now we'll start and we'll be needing a white curve paper and a normal white paper. Let's get started to make it. Now we'll take your bowl and we'll put glue all over here. That will be enough glue. Now with this, the easier way is to take your bowl, place it in here, and we'll take this up and we'll roll that bowl all the way around. And you can draw on this like this. Now we'll take this and you have to remember which side you was planning to do. I was planning this side. I'll keep only that side here and start rolling that together. You can roll it once again. Now it is ready. Now we'll take the green and we will do again the same thing that we had done on this. And when it's over, you take this and we will again roll the same way that which we had done on that, the first one. Take your time and roll on this. Roll that. And when it's done, you have India color. Now we'll take the blue paper and we will put here the glue. We can let this to dry and we start with this. We'll take glue and we'll color that in with glue. We will take that, the page that which is not glued here, we'll place it on the middle of your India. I will do one V shape here, but not fully. But now we are going to fold this part over here. We are making a corn shape. We fold this part here. We will have something that which looks like this. Now with this, we'll take your rocket and this will be its head. So we'll place it top and we put glue little bit around. See? And we'll take this corn and we'll place it there. We'll let that dry. till it's white, we'll have like this. Now to make it fire here, we're going to be having strips of yellow color paper. We'll place it inside of the rocket. So you'll put glue only white here. We're going around the paper. So we'll take it here. We'll take it. We'll place it where you want to be. So we'll have this. Just keep on doing that all around. But you have to leave some space between. Now your rocket is ready. Happy Republic Day. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to do the likings and subscribe. Bye everyone. I will come next day with new ideas. Stay safe. Bye bye.